if you have a slight leak on your toilet outlet. Okay, so there's just a very slight leak. What you can do first line of action, I would suggest, this is provided that you can move the fitting. If you can move it, just spray a little bit of furniture polish into the gap. All the way around. Right the way around. And then just move it ever so slightly, a couple of times, just backward, anti-clockwise and clockwise, not too much, just slightly. And then wait for an hour, and then check it again. It probably would have sorted out the leak. Okay, looks good, no more leak.